Okay, so these are the 3 parts that you are going to receive. And what you want to do is first take the rubber gasket and then just loop that over the straps and roll it down. The buckle is next. You just want to face it this way, and you're just going to loop the strap through this slot first. It's a double strap, so you want to get both of them in there, and you're going to just take it right back down into the other slot. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to take that rubber gasket and make sure that you get the entire strap like that. That's what keeps the buckle in place. The last step is taking that padding, and you're going to secure it all together by just putting it right over that piece of the strap, and it just like sticks right back on, and you're done.